Earth Loves, this is Rose with Earth Rugs, and today I'm here to share with you my favorite DIY all-natural rug deodorizer. We're going to make it with two simple ingredients. 1 cup of baking soda, that's about 1 cup, and now add your favorite essential oil. Mine is a citrus blend, and we're going to add 30 drops. That's good. Now very simply, I'm just using an ordinary teaspoon. I'm going to stir this in. And what we used to say in baking class would be to kind of fold the baking powder, the soda powder, into the oil. You can see it has a pretty little color, kind of yellow. And now I'm going to start scooping up from the bottom. Make sure that I get every little grain of powder mixed in with my favorite essential oil. This one's by Young Living. It doesn't have to be any particular brand. There's some nice ones, Acacia, others you might know. Okay, we have a nice blended baking soda here with a beautiful scented oil. And what we're going to have to do is decant this into an airtight jar and let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. So you have mixed your baking soda and essential oil and stored it in an airtight container overnight. This way the baking soda absorbs the scent and it'll be wonderful. We're going to take it outside and deodorize our rug. So what I love about area rugs, I get to bring them outside to clean and clean my floor inside as well. All right, we have our airtight container with our scented carpet deodorizer. I'm going to take a heaping spoonful and sprinkle it over the top of my rug. This is the second side of the rug. We can clean both the front and the back, and that's really great because a lot of people have allergies and they need to be able to clean both sides of the rug. It's a more healthy way of living, keeping your rugs clean, deodorized, and fresh. And take it in my house and put it back where it goes. All right, let's take this to my hallway. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to EarthRug's channel for a new video every Thursday. See you later, Earth Loves.